of colonial shadows to leading the world with indigenous strength, this is the story of India's self-reliance journey. Under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership, Atmanirbhar Bharat is no longer a slogan, but a movement reshaping every sector, from defense to digital payments, from highways to healthcare. Today, we take you through how India is scripting a new chapter, bold, fearless, and proudly made in India. Here's the report.
मेरे परिवारजनों,
पर एक ऐसी व्यवस्था है, एक ऐसा सम्मानजनक तोहफा है जो इंसान का आत्मविश्वास कई गुना बढ़ा दे।
गरीब की चिंता करना मैं मेरा जीवन धर्म मानता हूँ।
हमारी सरकार का प्रयास है कि बीमारी कम हो, साथ ही बीमारी पर होने वाला खर्च भी कम हो। इसलिए हम आयुष्मान भारत योजना लेकर आए। एक शौचालय के निर्माण से महिला को सम्मान, सुरक्षा और स्वास्थ्य तीनों मिल रहा है।
Shrugging off the shackles of colonialism and decades of dependency, India is scripting a new chapter of self-reliance. At the heart of this transformation stands Prime Minister Narendra Modi, driving the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, where Made in India is not just a slogan but a national resolve. From fighter jets to fintech, vaccines to Vande Bharat trains, this is the story of a nation reclaiming its legacy, one bold step at a time.
हम स्वदेशी का गर्व करने लगे। हम स्वदेशी मजबूरी में नहीं, मजबूती के साथ उपयोग करेंगे।
When he addressed the nation from the ramparts of Red Fort on the 15th of August, Prime Minister Modi captured the spirit of his vision. Highlighting Operation Sindoor, he said strategic autonomy and indigenous capabilities are key to decisively tackling threats, making self-reliance the bedrock of national strength and a journey to a developed India by 2047. Since 2014, Prime Minister's vision of Swadeshi has become a mission for building a modern, empowered, self-reliant and globally respected India. The entire world witnessed the strength of Made in India weaponry in Operation Sindoor, which destroyed the terror bases inside Pakistan.
हमारी सेनाओं ने भारत में बने हथियारों से दुश्मन को 22 मिनट में 22 मिनट में घुटने टेकने के लिए मजबूर कर दिया।
Modi's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat is not just about self-reliance. In his 2022 iconic Red Fort speech, he moved on to enumerate what he described as the Panchapran, which were integral to the decolonization of the Indian mind. But along with civilizational pride, there's been a pronounced focus on economic development. On a large number of indicators, the Modi Sarkar has outperformed its predecessors. Whether that's keeping inflation under control, relaxing GST rates, or expanding India's installed power capacity. Narendra Modi left no stones unturned to promote Made in India. Not to forget, India's Atmanirbhar message reached every corner of the world when Modi didn't bow down to the US President Donald Trump's 50% tariff on India for Russian oil purchase. Instead, India's Modi vowed to protect farmers, cut taxes and pushed for self-reliance.
भारत के मछुआरे, भारत के पशुपालक, उनसे जुड़ी किसी भी अहितकारी नीति के आगे मोदी दीवार बन के खड़ा है.
As India marches ahead into the Amrit Kal, the resolve to build, innovate and lead from within grows stronger. With global ambitions and indigenous confidence, the Made in India mission is no longer a dream. It's the blueprint for a new, self-reliant Bharat ready to shape the future.
And well, that's all we could pack for you in this edition of the Bulletin. Thank you for watching and don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with the top headlines.